All right, so let's get started. Today we are going to see how AI can help with generating a quiz on quizzes.com. Okay, so here we have it open. So here we have the official site. I am already signed in here. It's free and you can sign in with your Gmail account. It's free. Not completely free. For some features you have to upgrade. So first of all, we are going to go on assessment as we want to do the quiz. So it has three options. You can choose the material from your study material and upload here and it will create a quiz. And the second option you have, you can import also from your Google Slide and Google Docs, any document, and it will create a quiz. And third is create with a link. You can create add the link of any online article or YouTube or anything. So let's try today about the link. Okay, so here I'm just gonna go and choose some article on the PBL. Recently I was working on that. So here I find what is like project based learning. I'm just gonna copy the link of this one and I'm gonna paste that link over there. Okay, so here you have, I just pasted the link over here. And of course, it is for the professional development, and I want to create 10 questions. Okay, and just hit generate quiz. Let's see what we are gonna get. So it is taking a little bit of the time. Just stay tuned. Okay, and voila, here we have our quiz. It created the 10 questions on the PBL, everything from that article. Okay, it's really quick. Okay, and it saves your ton of the time. Look, you can always add questions, you can add the similar questions, and also I think you can convert that into a Google form. Also, you can publish it, and you have a choice of converting that into a Google form. And thanks for watching. Bye.